Top of the morning to ya. It's St. Paddy's Day, and listen here, boy. We're drinking.
After that, go ahead and cut some slices up of this delicious Guinness beer bread. Underneath all of that, we have a really nice corned elk. Like we said, it's been in the brine for a few days. Underneath all these potatoes and stuff, here's that elk meat. Look at that. Look how good that looks. I could just put it on a piece of rye bread right now, and it would be delicious. We're going to set it on the cutting board. Because I'm a legitimate chef, we always want to cut against the grain, which I think is this way, but we'll find out. What do you think? Does that look like it's against grain? Yeah, yeah. It's cutting really easily. And the whole thing about corned elk and Brussels sprouts is just, you know, serve up as much as you want now and then save the rest for later for like a Reuben or it's corned elk and cabbage sandwich. What do they call those? Whatever the thing is on rye bread. That's what they like. So notice the color of this. So they add potassium nitrite and they add pink food coloring to it so you don't mistake it as normal salt. That's why it gives it this delicious color. Oh, you place it in there like this, like so. And sous chef, are you filling 1 or 2 slices? Or 3 slices?
2.
2? Just 2? Okay. And then you take your meats. Go ahead and take your big ladle, scoop that in there. 1 or 2?
2.
2. You want more juice? Okay. And then after that, you take your Guinness beer bread that we cut earlier, and you just place that right there. That's called corned elk and Brussels sprouts. The most St. Paddy's we can get here in Colorado. It doesn't get any better than that.